How to fix login error in Ryanair application. First, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any network issues. However, if we talk about the login error, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Ryanair application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problem regarding your login. However, if there's any other issues with the app, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.